What I really liked about Sungrow is how warm and welcoming they've been. It's an incredible company, very innovative, and it's great to be a part of it.
I've been using Sungrow since 2019 and I'm honestly very impressed with what they've got going here.
After seeing all factories and the quality and the people, it's on another level. You know, you can rely on the product.
The harbour, it's a very good solution, it's easy, it's scalable. I think it's going to make a big difference for us in South Africa in the market. And I also like the CNI, the containerised unit. I think it's going to be a complete game changer, especially for South Africa.
Very, very excited about working with Sungrow. We've had an amazing session today and the future is looking bright for energy storage in South Africa.